you hear me? Can you hear me? Sound check 1 2. Can you hear me? Sound check 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Sound check. Sound check. Ba, 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 ba. Sound check. Sound check doubles. Sound check doubles. Sound check. Can you hear me?
It's propagating.
Propagation. Propagation. Dun, 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 ba, 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 ba. But, you can hear me? All right. Let's go, baby. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. Another episode of Power Play, where we take this opportunity before Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to get ready and check out the big movers, the big market movers, and see what's moving and review them, do some technical analysis of them, but also to decompress from the trading this morning. The trading this morning has been amazing doubles. NERV was crazy. BYND was crazy. So you just gotta decompress from all that excitement. I know you had that morning show, Microcap Mornings, and you had a monster of a move on NERV on stream. Yes, sir. You and the Serengeti Specialist captured that one, right? So Power Play is going to be us decompressing, with the play portion of the show being Fortnite, and the power portion of it is going to be reviewing tickers that we're looking at going into Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one, DBL Nicks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. Make it rain, baby, with a degree in where? What's the degree?
Bangernomics.
In Bangernomics.
From Big Bang College.
From Big Bang College, BBC. And I got a degree in Bangernomics myself. I can find Bangernomics all over the place. I got it from Bang U University, BU. Let's share it up, folks. Let's get over 100. We're going to start taking a look at some of the stocks. We're going to have the Serengeti Specialist join us as well. So she's going to be prancing around in the Serengeti to locate some Parabolics for us. Yes, sir. She prefers the ABCDs because she can get them by the scruff of the neck and bring them in to the indelible pride. That's y'all, my folks. That's y'all. Thank you, my sweet little princess DBL moms. All right. She bought me some Java to wake me up. You know I'm always tired. You know I'm always low energy. I need that coffee. I need it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. She did an amazing, DBL Moms did an amazing video yesterday on BYND, and today, of course, it ran well over 100% parabolic. Did you see the video, folks? Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, set the notifications on, and make sure that when we're around, you're commenting and leaving thumbs up and all that cool jazz, because it helps the algorithm, and you'll get to see more stuff from us. So there you have it. Okay, that's the YouTube channel. We're also at Twitter, aka x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Set those notifications on. We got 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Financial news. We cover it for you, so you can go and see what the headlines are. In addition to that, Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, as well as after hours. It's everything having to do with micro-cap stocks and small-cap stocks, technical analysis, news, just generally anything, mindset. Oh, my God. Everything. So follow us at x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And also Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. We're also live streaming on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And of course, there's unbelievable content on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, the Dak at DBL Nicks. At DBL and ICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And last but not least, you're looking at the screen. The screen is going to have the chart in the upper right quadrant. That's where we're going to be doing our technical analysis of the market moving stocks that we're going to look at for Power Hour. Underneath is the screen for Fortnite. That's where the play portion of the show is going to happen. So we're going to bounce back and forth, and as we get closer to Power Hour, we're going to review what is happening in the stock market as it gets more closer to the higher volume time period when there's more likelihood of a parabolic movement. And then last but not least, on the left-hand corner is actually access to our custom scanner, one of our custom scanners in our Discord community. That's just one of many. Okay, we also have the ticker tape scanner, which basically monitors for immediate breakout plays, things that are showing unusual volume right this second, so that we get a heads up as to what's actually moving and what we should be paying attention to at that moment. The market movers basically tells you the leading gainers, and a lot of times the leading gainers are going to be the ones that break out, but sometimes doubles. There's stocks that break out just by themselves, and they're not on the market mover scanner. No, sir. That's why we got more than one scanner. And of course, we got the early watch list. You know that early watch list is fuego, fuego, fuego. Fuego, baby. Because a lot of times we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks that we basically put on our early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, the night before the stock market opens. And of course, many of them, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, almost always, there's a runner. So let's share it up, share it up, share it up. And if you want to take a 4-day trial for the Discord, there's a link in the description for a $9.99 trial for 4 days. Check out what we do in the Discord. The community is on fire. There's a ton of educational stuff. You need to check out the educational stuff, because the educational stuff puts together all of these tools. The tools by themselves are great, but the educational content is off the charts, and the community very supportive, serious community. Of course, we joke around on stream, but when we're taking care of business, we're taking care of business. We're a real company. We don't work out of our mama's basement. No, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that, but you got to be at a high caliber if you're working out of your mama's basement. You know what I'm saying? Just because you're working out of your mama's basement. Guess what? I worked out of my mama's basement at one point, but I took it serious, yo. I took it serious. Some of these clowns don't take it serious. They'll take a picture in front of a Lamborghini, a Lamborghini. Yeah, it's a fake Lamborghini, a Lamborghini.
A fake Lamborghini.
A fake Lamborghini, a Lamborghini, bro. A Lamborghini, a fake Lamborghini, and yo, check out my fake Lamborghini. And then after the picture's taken, they're the guys that wash the car, bro. They get the suds, bro. They get the suds, bro. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying, right? You feel me, right? You feel me, right? So you want to be a part of something that's a real company, a real company. So go ahead and click that link. I've been holding my tongue too long. I gotta call it the way I see it. Oh, I'm not angry. I'm just feisty. Besides, your mother cooked with hot spices last night. Oh my. Oh my. Baby. All right, so let's go take a look at some of these stocks. Let's take a look at BYND. BYND is an interesting stock. Very interesting stock. BYND has a massive move. It moved from around $1 yesterday, hit $2.70 something cents. Currently up 101%, still trending upward. Let's go ahead and give it a Fibonacci retracement, so we have some key levels on this sucker. A lot of people talking about this ticker right here. A lot of people, so it's on a lot of people's minds. Short squeeze, gamma squeeze, all that stuff, man, all of that stuff. So right now we got resistance right at the 277 mark. You could see that the price action pierced below it. The price action is trending upward. You could see that the VWAP is trending upward. The 9 EMA still is stacked above. The 9 EMA was extended a little bit too far from the VWAP. It's pulling back down. We can see that the RSI is pushing towards oversold. And again, this is understandable because there's a break in activity. Folks, let's get that share party going on. We need to get over 100. Gotta get over 100. Gots to. Come on, let's share it up. Share it up, share it up. I'm gonna have some coffee while y'all share it up. We need y'all help. Thank you so much. We need y'all help. Come on now. You get more folks in here to help us put more and more content out for you, to help you out. You help us out. We're part of the same tribe. We're part of the same tribe. We're the indelibles, yo. We're the indelibles. Let's go, baby. Let's go. TBL moms, that coffee isn't particularly delicious. I don't know what you did, but it's very sweet. Maybe you put your pinky in it or something, because you are a sweet little dish, my little dumpling. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But that coffee right there was pretty darn good. I'm just saying. I wish I could share it with y'all. I'm just saying. All right, so we're looking at BYND. Much news on social media about it. Not news per se, but a lot of people are looking at it. You know what I mean? Ah, it announced plans with Walmart to increase availability of select products at over 2,000 stores nationwide. That's Beyond Meat. That's like the vegetable burgers and all that stuff. I had it. I had it at where did I have it at, Doubles? Where did I have it? I had it at where they make the Whopper. Burger King. Burger King. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was all right. It was all right. It was all right, you know? And it made me money today, so it's even better than all right. Yeah, baby, BYND. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so anyway, it's got resistance roughly at the red mark right over here, which is about $2.77. It has support right where the trend line, the 9 EMA, and the VWAP are heading to, which is right over here at 235-ish. This was a significant resistance area for it today, but it broke through, and now it's coming back to that level. So we want to see it hold that 235. It is oversold at this point. Volume is dipping. We are in a lull in activity, but in an hour and 18 minutes, it's going to be power hours. So we should get more volume in the overall market, and maybe BYND will be blessed beyond the meat. That's the name of the company, right? Beyond the Meat? No, there's no the in it, right? It's just Beyond Meat?
Beyond Meat.
They should have named it Beyond the Meat.
Pause.
Oh, bro, come on. You remember the little old lady from Wendy's? Where's the beef?
Where's the beef?
Can you imagine if they did a collaboration with that lady? What, that was Wendy's, right? Can you imagine? Can you imagine if Wendy's and Beyond the Meat had a collaboration? They'll be like, yo, Beyond the Meat, and she would be like, where's the beef? And they give her the Beyond the Meat hamburger, and she starts chomping on it, and she's like, there's the beef, and everybody was like, no, no, it's vegetables. That's your vegetables right there. Anyway, I'm just talking to myself. No. Let's go take a look at NERV. NERV had news, Doubles. NERV currently up 240%. 240%. Minerva Neuroscience shares are trading higher after the company announces financing of up to $200 million to advance. I hate when they do these medical terms. For schizophrenia. And don't make me say it, Doubles. Yeah, man, whatever you just said, bro. That's what's going on with Nerve. You got Nerve up 237%. A 4 million float stock. A lot of attention today. 152 million in volume. But there's a little bit of a lull. You can see that the RSI is center lined with Nerve, right? And we can see that the volume has dropped on the volume candles. But let's take a look at the chart, baby. And what we've generally got is that it's basically basing out at this level right over here. So you have this general trend. So you had a basic double top over here, and here, but now the flush happened, and it's trying to hold support at the VWAP. The VWAP's right over here. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated and put a nice big green line right where the VWAP is. The VWAP is right over there, baby, right there. And you know what we could do, Doubles? You know what I'm going to say? Doubles, you know what I'm thinking, bro? You know what I'm thinking? I want to be optimistic about Nerve because it's had a lot of nerve today. It went up, what, over 300%? DBL Moms, over 300%?
Oh, Nerve went up.
300 what?
62%.
How much?
362%.
369%. Ow! Ow! Okay, it was 362%. All right already. I misheard. I got the headset on. I can't hear you. Put the chocolate away. What is wrong with you? I'm on stream, mama. Come on now. Let's share it up. Let's get to 400, folks. We're well over 300. Let's go to 400. Let's go, baby. All right, so we got Nerve over here forming a bull pennant. It has general support on this particular line of the pennant. This particular line is also the trend line. You can see that the price action is moving up. But again, lack of volume and lack of decisiveness because we are in that lull. We still have an hour and 15 minutes before power hour starts. But the price action is above the VWAP for the time being. And the 9 EMA and the VWAP are stacked with the 9 EMA above the VWAP. So it'll probably continue to channel within this pennant and hopefully get some volume, and we'll see a breakout. Let's see. What time is it right now, Doubles? Right now, it's 1:45. We'll check back with you. Remember, it's 1:45. 1:45. So we'll see if this pennant gives us a blessing and breaks out, baby. If it does, there would be resistance at around 11.20, and of course up here at around $12. But if it can keep on going, yeah, it'll have nerve, baby. Let's go. All right, let's check out VSEE. Share it up, share it up, share it up, folks. Share it up. Let's get the 500. 500, folks. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's put it on the 5-minute. 5-minute doubles. Let's put it on the 5-minute. This is a penny stock joint that had a nice little parabolic movement. Right now it's up 75%, pulled back somewhat. 8 million float. Not bad for a cheap stock. Not bad. The volume, you could see it on the custom scanners from our Discord. Click the link in the description for a 4-day trial for $9.99. Check out all the scanners. Check out the community. Check out some serious traders, some real traders, not the fugazi ones. Come on now. People that really want to succeed, people that want to learn. Go ahead and join for the 4-day trial. The Discord link is in the description. Go ahead and click it. You'll have access to all these tools, scanners, news search features, early watch list. Forget about it, man. It's chock full of information, and it has a very clear explanation as to how to use it and what tools you may want to use and what tools you may not want to use, because everybody trades differently. So check it out with your own eyes. Go ahead and click that link in the description for that 4-day trial. Okay, we're looking at VSEE, and you could see that it is forming a pennant formation right over here, right over the house. So let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated. You can see that there's a pennant right here. The price action is above the VWAP. I like that. I like that a lot. You can see right over here, right? We can neaten it up a little right here, right? Let's go. Let's tighten it up a little. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Let's tighten it up right over there. There's your pennant, baby. There's your pennant. If we do it like that, you see it even better. There you go. There you go. Look at the pennant. Looka. Maybe we tighten it up even more. How about that? There goes another pennant, right? So we have a pennant with ticker NERV, which I like more than this particular ticker, right? But this ticker is not that bad. Up 76%. Up 76%. Price action has dipped. As with NERV, we could see there's indecisiveness with the RSI. It's smack in the middle, and again, we're expecting that. So we're going to come back and look at all of these stocks as we get closer to power hour, when more volume comes in. MCTA, another ticker that has been moving today. MCTA, let's get a share party going on. Let's get the 400. Let's get the 400. This looks like it must have been an IPO or something, because there's not much activity going on it. MCTA Charming Medical. I'm assuming it was a IPO, and it kind of like popped and dropped. It formed a bit of a head and shoulders pattern, which is bearish. There's a shoulder. There's right there a cabeza. That's Spanish for head. And there's an hombre. That's Spanish for arm. You say tomato. I say tomato. We have this conversation every day. It's an hombre. I call it an hombre, yo. I call it an hombre. Anyway, bottom line, doubles, you're giving me a hard time. You give me a hard time, son, and I just can't take it. Bottom line is a head and shoulders pattern. Flushosaurus Rex, price action is below VWAP. It'll need some volume, so it's not really that schmexy at the moment, but we'll see what happens. All right, we'll check out the other stocks, but now it's time to get a dub for the Indelible Pride. So let's share it up, because I'm going to get a dub for you. I'm going into regular Fortnite Season 6, and then we'll probably do some, I don't know, maybe some OG Fortnite. I don't know. Yesterday was kind of cool, Doubles. I was using your assistance as my coach, right? You were coaching me, and ChatGPT was coaching me. And today, Doubles, I got some more information from ChatGPT. I want you to coach me some more. How about that? I don't think I'm a ham and egger when it comes to Fortnite, Doubles. But you know what? You want to always learn, just like with stocks, baby. Always learning, man. Learn. Education is power, Indelibles. Education is power. Power hour. It's a power hour when you educate yourself. Power hour. All right, we're going to look at NERV. Keep an eye on it. We're going to also keep an eye on Beyond the Meat. Beyond the Meat. Still trending upward, baby. Still trending up, Doubles. Still trending up. Back to NERV. Nerve. You got nerve. You got beyond the meat, and you got nerve. I tell you. All right, this is starting to break down. I don't like the way it looks over there. I don't like it. I don't like it. Might have to. You know what? You don't look good. I'm gonna put beyond the meat on. Beyond the meat. Beyond. Trending upward. Let's go, baby. Baby. Let's go. Let's go. 101%. All right, let's go ahead and get into an activity over here. We got 405 folks here. Can we get it to 420 for the memes? Let's go, baby. Share it up, share it up, share it up. Come on now. Time to get a dubs. Uh-oh, Mama Money is in the house. We're going to dedicate the game not only to the Indelibles, but to Mama Money and the Serengeti specialist herself, DBL Moms. There you go. Why not even doubles? Doubles, you're an indelible too. I'm gonna dedicate it to you. Now I got all kinds of pressure on me to win. All kinds of pressure. It's just not right. It's just not right. I'm telling you, it's not right.
Well, I'll be like the coach. You get you the towel when
So-
you're in the ring.
Yeah, yeah. Do that. So listen, I was talking to Chat GPT because I don't write with it. I talk to it. I say, hey Chat, what's up? How you doing? And it says, yo, what up, coach? I'm like, yo, so what do you think I should do? It told me yesterday about making sure I got the right hand peak. It told me that my sense might be a little bit too low, but I don't want to change it while I'm playing right now. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep it the way it is for now, but I'm gonna be practicing in creative. I'm gonna change the sense a little bit. If y'all know anything about Fortnite, put it in the chat. Give the coach some advice. Jack's in the house. What's up, Jack? How you doing, buddy? How's BYND graph? You're looking at it right on the chart right there. It's trending upward. It's got resistance at 277. It's got support at 235. And that 235 was a strong resistance area that it broke through. And now it's a strong support area. So it's trending upward. The RSI is mid-range, but it's moving towards the top. So because it's moving towards the top, you basically have a bullish pattern happening with the RSI. But it needs to break that 277 level, and it'll need volume, which it'll probably start to get more and more volume as we get closer to power hour. But this is still trending pretty strong. There's been quite a few short squeezes on this, so hope that's helpful, Jack. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we did a Fibonacci on it, so you can see the various key levels of support and resistance. Around $2, around $1.65. Those are support areas. And around $3.15 would be resistance area. $2.77 is another resistance area. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beyond Meat looks pretty good. Is it Beyond Meat or Beyond... What is it? Beyond Meat, right? But now they changed the ticker symbol, right? It's like it used to be BYND, and now it's BYND... Boss. I don't know what that's all about. They must have changed the name or something of the ticker. Yeah. I mean, they got some pretty decent news too. BY, and they has the following news. Click it so I can read it. I'm trying to land, bro. Click it good. Beyond Meat shares are trading higher after the company announced plans to with Walmart to increase availability of its products. Its products are basically meat substitutes in the form of vegetables. Wow, there's a lot of people here, bro. Bruh. There are way too many people here. Oh my. What are we doing over here? Oh, okay, that works. Maybe not. All right, now we got some stuff going on. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Where they at, bro? Where's everybody at? Oh, right there, bro. Oh, what happened to my gun, bro? Yo, my gun is like all messed up, bro. Yo, what the heck, bro? What the heck happened to my shotgun, bro? Did you see that? Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened over there. Okay. I don't know, bro. Ooh, wait, a flare gun. Yeah. Ooh, wait. Why not? Why not? Let's get rid of this thing. I don't think I want it. I don't think I want it. Do I? No, I don't want it. I don't like this thing. I'd rather have that, bro. Yo, this thing is like jamming up on me, bro. My game is like all messed up, bro. There's people below. I'm gonna go down below. Where is everybody? They gotta be below, right? Yepers. Let's share it up, folks, for the coach. Share it up for the coach. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Share it up. Share it up. Come on, man. What is going on with my game? My game is like bugging, bro. All right, I gotta get some shieldy poop. Why not? Why not? Why not? Uh-huh. You know what? I think I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I want some mobility. I want myself some mobility, bruh. Yes, sir. Mobility. 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 Hello, mobility. All right, folks. We're getting ready to rumble. All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, folks. We're heading in now. All right, folks. Still share it up. We're seeing MCTA moving up ever so slightly. ATMV, we didn't go over that stock. It's moving up somewhat. Oh, 51%. Whoa! I don't got any. Baby. Nothing? Come on, bruh. Are you for real, bruh? Come on, man. Come on. What's wrong with you, bruh? Can you imagine this turkey? Come on, Indelibles, right? Can you imagine? Just trying to attack the coach? What the heck? Thank you so much for the mats, yo. I appreciate the donation. Come again. Anytime. I'll give you a shellacking. No problemo. Little shakalacking. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? What do you think, Doubles? What do you think, Doubles? What do you think? Listen, just because I usually play OG don't mean I can't rock with the regular game. No. It don't mean that. Don't be surprised if I give you a shellacka-jackin'. Shellacka-jackin', yo. A shellacka-lackin'. A little shellacka-lackin', baby. Ooh. 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 Yeah, right. Let's go, baby. I want, you know what? I want my call. Doubles, I want my call, bro. I want my car, fella. My car. My automobile. Oh, look, there's a car right there, bro. Look. Oh, somebody took the car. What happened over here? Somebody. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Somebody took a vehicle and did one of these joints with it. Look at that. Oh, that's different. That's different, bro. Holy moly, look at that. I don't know. All right, whatever. I'm not gonna hate on it. I could live with that, yo. Ooh, look at that, Doubles. That's like a different type of ride right there, bro. Holy moly, let's go, baby. Ooh, they changed all this, huh? I haven't been here in a while. Let's go and try to find somebody to smack a racker. Ooh, there's some fighting over there. I want my own vehicle, though, bro. I want my own vehicle, bro. Bruh. I want my own car. That's what I like right there. Right there. Plain and simple, yo. Plain and simple. Let's go, baby. What's going on? VSEE moving up ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. RYOJ, that was a runner this morning. That's moving up ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. MSN up 41%. Anybody around? Anybody want to play? Anybody want to play? Anybody want to play? Ooh, somebody trying to land on the coach, fella. Somebody trying to land on me, bruh. Oh, my. Imagine he's trying to land on. Oh! Oh, doubles. What did I do? I jumped out too soon. He landed in the car. Oh, my God. Dude, I blew it, bro. That was dumb. That was dumb. All right, never mind. Never mind. You didn't see that, peoples. You didn't see that. That was dumb, bro. Oh, man. I thought I was closer to the ground than I was, bro. All right, let's go take a look at some of the stonks. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so we're looking at BYND. Beyond Meat is continuously trending on the uptrend, continuing to trend on the uptrend. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get rid of this yellow line right here. I'm going to get rid of the yellow line, and I'm going to give it a channel because it is basically channeling upward. It's in an upward trajectory. So let's go ahead and get a channel so we can show that it's going basically in a channel right over here. Right there, bro. That's the channel right there. I mean, I could even say that the channel might even be a little bit lower than that. How about that? That's the real channel right there. So it's got resistance. So if it came back down to the VWAP over here, that would not surprise me. Would not surprise me, but I would like to see it stay towards the 250 mark, right? But VWAP is at 235, and that was a significant resistance area, and currently is a significant support area. Let's share it up. We got almost 600 people in here. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to 700. 700 BYND channeling upward, hitting the upper band of the channel. Resistance is roughly around I don't know what, $2.85, $2.77. Between that range is the resistance area. It'll need volume to break through. The RSI is trying to travel upward, but it does not have a lot of volume currently because it's still not power hour. So it'll need more volume to start breaking out. So we'll keep an eye on BYND. It performed pretty decent most of the day today. Pretty decent, currently up about 101%, give or take. NERV was the top mover, currently 218%, but it was well over 300. It was like 362%, something like that. That's what DBL Mom said. That's what she said. That's what she said. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It formed the bull pennant, but it looks like the bull pennant is failing, so it looks more like a prevailing wind of a double top over here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this pennant because it looks like the pennant is failing for the time being. So what looks to be the situation is that the double top over here seems to be the prevailing wind. So let's go ahead and create that notification of a double top. You got a top over there. You got a stinky double top right over there. And then you have the Fletchosaurus Rex. So now what it has to do, it has to break this downtrend right here, doubles. You see it? You see it? It's got to break that nasty downtrend. Otherwise, And we want to see it get above the green line, which is the VWAP. But there's still time. We could see that it's moving further and further down to oversold. So hopefully it'll bounce back up with volume. But right now, there's not a heck of a lot of volume. So NERV, yeah, you went up 362% earlier in the morning. But what have you done for me lately? What have you done for me lately? The Indelibles deserve better than that. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to 700 with 635 folks in the stream. Let's get to 700, baby. Let's go. If you have a stock you want us to check out and do some technical analysis on, put it in the chat. If you have questions, comments, if you want anything answered, if you want some motivation, here's the motivation. Just do it. Just like Nike says, just do it. Just do it, baby. You can do anything you put your mind to. Just do it. Woo! Let's go, baby. CCCF. What do I think BYND will go to? No way to really know, brother. It really depends on too many variables to really know. And I'm not trying to avoid the question, but the honest truth is you just don't know. You just don't know. But if we go back to Beyond Meat, there's a lot of hype on it. There's a lot of volume on it. It is trending upward. And the best that we can do is see what kind of support and resistance there is. It has clear support at around 235, which was resistance earlier in the day, and it took quite a bit for it to break through it. It did break through it. Then the price action continued to drift upward. It hit another resistance area that it tried to break through at 277, but it dipped, and now it's trying to still break through 277. And you also have the trend line, which is roughly at around 286. So this region right here forms significant resistance. It'll need to have volume to break through that. And then the next resistance area would be 325, and then after that around 345. Support obviously at VWAP 235-ish, 238-ish. Other support areas, 205 and 172. Hopefully it doesn't dip that far down because that would be a significant drop. We can see that the volume candles are diminishing, but the RSI is trying to stay mid-rift, and we're hoping that more volume will come in as we get closer to power hour. So hopefully that is something that is helpful for you. There you go. Not financial or stock advice. I'm not a financial or stock advisor. And yeah, but that's what I'm seeing on BYND. BYND. Let's go take a look at RYOJ. That's a ticker that we saw run earlier in the morning. I think DBL Moms did a video on it as well, right? A short or a video? A short video, a short. She did a short. She did a short, yo. She did a short. So what's the story with this? It's above the VWAP. Look at that. The VWAP moved quite a bit because apparently we must have been looking at this maybe yesterday. VWAP is now currently at around $5.97. Let's call it $6 for argument's sake. My pleasure, bro. My pleasure, CCCF. My pleasure. So the price action is stacked in a bearish pattern. You can see that the 90 MA is below the VWAP. It's slightly bearish, but it's trying its darndest to maybe form a cup and handle pattern. If we go to a higher time frame, you might be able to see it a little bit more clearly. Look, at a 10-minute time frame, it looks more like a cup and handle. At a 5-minute, it's kind of like a broken cup. It's kind of like the cup that slipped out of your hand while you were washing the dishes. You know what I'm talking about, doubles? And then you use the crazy glue to try to put it back together. You know what I'm talking about? But it is a cup and handle over here as well. But the price action is bearish right now because the VWAP is stacked above the 90 MA. What I want to see happen is I want to see volume come in, and I want to see that 90 MA curl upward and cross through the VWAP. We need volume. We need to see the RSI moving upward as well. So that's what we're hoping for RYOJ. RYOJ, it's a low float stock. You could see it on the custom scanners from the Discord. All right. That scanner is showing you that it's only a 2 million float, 2 million float. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why custom scanners are very important. You want to know what the float is. The float is your supply. How many stocks are available? The volume is your demand. And trading, when you boil it down to its bare essence, is a question of supply and demand. You want a small float and a large amount of volume. The volume is 8x more than the float on RYOJ. That's good. It's currently up 52%, but it's below VWAP. But look, it's testing VWAP, so hopefully volume will come in right now as we get closer to power hour or towards power hour, and we'll see a nice big push through the 90 MA, in which case we will have a bullish setup. And again, this is starting to form somewhat of a cup and handle bull pattern. So hopefully we will see more activity with RYOJ. RYOJ. All right, let's see what else we're looking at. What else? Let's share it up, folks. BOF also ran earlier this morning. Let's check it out. I traded BOF, made some nice money with it. Yes, sir. I caught it on this pullback right over here, the pullback, and it bounced back up, and I made money. I made some money. The coach made some money. Yes, sir, baby. DBL Moms, did I mention the coffee is fire? Fuego, fuego, fuego? DBL Moms, you are the bomb diggity. I'm just saying. I am not worthy. I am not worthy. I bow to you. I bow to you, my queen, my queen, my queen. Now you know it got to her head. You know it got to her head. You know she's gonna be yelling at me at some point. She always yells at the poor coach. Poor coach. Poor coach. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let's take a look at BOF. BOF is forming somewhat of a bull pattern. Bull pattern. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, folks. Let's go. So first things first, you got this going on right over here. Second thing you got going on is this over here, right over there, right there, right there. So boom, chakalaka, boom, chakalaka. So you got bra-ta-ta-ta, baby. Bra-ta-ta-ta. You got a bit of a bull pattern going on. Price action is just above the VWAP. Let's go ahead and give it a green line for the VWAP. The VWAP, baby, right there. The VWAP's right there. Price action slightly above it. 90 MA is stacked ever so slightly above it. If I stretch it out, you could see the 90 MA right over here above the VWAP. That's good. We want to see a break of this trend portion of the pennant and a breakout. Volume has dipped. RSI is trying to move up to a bullish type of pattern. There is plenty of room for it to keep going before it becomes overbought. So yeah, This don't look too bad, too shabby. Let's see what the float situation is. The float's a little bit heavier at 10 million, but it had 65 million in volume. So if it gets some significant volume again, we might have a show with BOF. It should say BOFO, right? But there is no O at the end.
No, it's just BOF.
But that's what rhymed though. With BOF. Oh, how'd I do?
Yeah, sure.
Was that good? Was that all right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm glad you approve. I'm just saying. Let's share it up. Let's get to 800 doubles. Let's get 800 peoples in here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And we'll look at some other tickers. How about we take a look at IOB? Wait, what is it? IBIO. Blah, blah, blah. IBIO. And of course, the company's name is IBIO. Bio. Looks pretty choppy. Looks like it has a lack of volume. Doubles lack of volume. It is a heavier floated stock at 20 million. 57 million in volume. So the volume is not that excessive, and you can see that because the price action is quite choppy. There's a lot of top tails. Doubles. I don't like the top tails. I like the bottom tails, and they got to be the green ones like my M&Ms, and I like the white rose petals on my bed. So when I go and perform, they got white rose petals and green M&Ms in a bowl, and the bowl's got to be green with dollar signs all over it. I'm just saying. I'm just going to add more requirements as we go, doubles. Why not? Come on now. We need something that's going to break out. I don't know. IBIO? I don't know. Indelibles? Right now? I'm just saying. And ERV needs to break the downtrend. Double top, don't like it. BYND is still trending upward, baby. I like that. Upward trend. Beyond Meat, trending upward. Trending ever so slightly upward. Let's do that, doubles. Why not? Doubles? Look what I did. I changed the trend directory. No. Trajectory. DBL moms, help!
Trajectory.
Yeah, what she just said. I got tongue-tied. Holy moly. All right, so the RSI is starting to move ever so slightly upward towards overbought. Plenty of area for it to keep moving. Volume is still relatively low, but it continues to just drift further and further up. I like that, doubles. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yes, sir. Okay. Perfectamundo. So that's what's going on with Beyond Meat. Oh, yeah, Beyond Meat. All right, let's go ahead and switch this up to OG. And let's go get a dub for the community. And we will come back to the stonks in a little bit. It is now 2:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 47 minutes before power hour. We're waiting for volume to come in so the fireworks can start again. In the meanwhile, while we're waiting to get into the game, go ahead to the YouTube channel and subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And make sure you're following us on X.com. We got about, 16,000 folks on X.com. We need to get more. Peoples. They need to, because we got a lot of content over there. A lot of helpful stuff. Yes, sir. At Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. X.com. A.K.A. Twitter. AKA Twitter.
For a second, I was about to say tack at her.
Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money.
Coaching money.
Live streaming on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money. Yes, sir. And then, of course, we got TikTok. Tiki-taki, aka the Tag at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name, of course, is Coach Nick Money. Look at this guy dancing with his guitar. Howdy, folks. Howdy, fella. Howdy. All right. Let's go, baby. Oh, Scooby-Doo. Oh, why did I shoot Scooby? I like Scooby. Oh, well. It's not the real Scooby. Hey, it's a Fugazi Scooby. He's not real. The real Scooby is not in Fortnite. All right. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I feel like landing somewhere different, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. You know where? Right over here. Remember that metal house? That metal house was weird, right, bro? It was somewhere over here, wasn't it, bro? I don't remember where exactly it was, but we're gonna go. Oh, right there, bro. See it? That had like 3 chests in it, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. I'm serious, bro. Bruh. I'm serious, bro. VSEE moving 74%. RYOJ moving 55%. And NERV pulling downward. BYND testing resistance $2.77. I think it's gonna break resistance, bro. I think so. Bruh. Oh my. Dude, tell me this is not a cool drop. Bro, tell me this is not cool, bro. Tell me. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? Bro, are you kidding me? Come on, fella. Although the weapons kind of suck. maybe I take it back. It's not so cool. All right. Let's get into the mix, bro. I feel ornery, bro. I feel ornery. I'm gonna go into this area over here. Looks like there was some enemies, right? Ooh, look right there, bro. Look.
Yeah.
Ooh, right there, bro. See him?
Yes.
Ooh, is that somebody on the roof there? There's somebody on the roof that he's shooting at. He just ended somebody. Oh my. Where'd he go? Where did this guy go? He wasn't ready! Thank you for the scar, fella. And of course, there's a scar and a blue AR. Really? For real, Pharrell? Ooh, the coach. Ooh, the coach. Let's go. Share it up. Oh, my goodness. Where you at, fella? Where you at with that gun? Where's that fella at? Where's he at? Come on now. Come on. Where you at, fella? I'd like to have a shotgun, bro. No? Shotgun would be good, right? I don't know. I don't know where the shotgun is at. I don't know. Nothing. Nothing over there, huh? Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. Ooh. Oh, thank you very much. I feel like I should take this, bro. I don't know. Oh, thank you. Let's share it up. We're almost at 900. No, we're over 900. Let's go to 1,000. Let's do it. Let's go, baby. Remember, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Microcap mornings with the star of the show, DBL Nicks in the house, with the Serengeti specialist getting all of the Parabolics for you. Yes, sir. 8:30 a.m. going into... Ooh, we got an enemy nearby, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Did you see what I did to him, too? Come on, bro. Oh, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Back to positive stuff. Let's go take a look at BYND. Let's take a look at the stonk. Let's share it up, folks. Let's get to 1,000. We're going to do a little bit of a technical analysis on BYND. Let's go ahead and move this up ever so slightly. ever so slightly right there. How about right there? Yep. So we got resistance roughly at that 284 mark, but it's been handling itself pretty well, pretty well, doubles, I would say. It continues to drift up, which is what we want it to do. Volume is dipping, but the RSI is still moving upwards. So there's attention to this particular ticker, even though there's not a lot of volume just yet. So BYND looking kind of schmexy. Does that sound right? BYND looking kind of schmexy, baby, as it breaks through that resistance area, poking its little green head up there like a turtle, I tell you. All right, BYND looking good, baby. Looking good. Yes, sir. All right, let's go take a look at NERV, see what's happening with NERV. You've got a lot of nerve over there. You got a lot of nerve. I got to tell you, I didn't really love that drop too much.
No.
The weapons were kind of fugazi.
Yeah.
They were fugazi, bro.
Yeah.
You got to go to a POI, you know? Yeah, you got to. I think you got to, bro. You got to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like I always go to a POI. I always go to, that's not really true. I usually go to an unnamed. Viking's not a named POI, but it just has so much loot for a solo, bro. Bro, for solo?
Yeah.
Holy moly, bro. Now, let me ask you a question. It told me, ChatGPT said only take fights you could win. But I didn't do that. I pushed not knowing where this guy was at.
Yeah.
That was a mistake, bro. I didn't know where this fellow was. I should have regrouped. But you weren't coaching me, Doubles. You were supposed to be coaching. You were supposed to be like, yo, what are you doing, coach? What's going on?
You want me to coach you some more?
I do. I want the coach wants to be coached. You can never learn too much. You know what I'm saying? You can never learn too much.
I was backseat game.
Yeah. CCCF wants BYND again. Yeah, no problem. Let's go. We just did it a few seconds ago. We'll do it again. No problemo. Let's go. BYND just continues to trend upward again. Same resistance area right at around 284 to 270-ish, 274, like that, this whole region. That's your resistance area. But it formed a miniature inverted head and shoulders. So here's a head. Right over here is the head, shoulder. It's a small one. So the smaller that these patterns are, the less reliable they are. But it's in this channel right over here. So let's tighten this up a little bit. It's in this channel. So if it can break the 282 mark, we got resistance in around the $3 mark, which makes sense because that's a psychological level. And then you got resistance way up here at around 334. How come the volume's not on the left? I'm not sure what you mean by that. The volume's right down here. Right there. Can you see it? Right there. Here's your volume. And you can see that the volume is kind of low, which makes sense because we're in between busy times of the day. Power hour is going to be happening in about 47 minutes. So we still got a little bit of a lull going on, but you can see that the VWAP, which is the purple line right over here, is stacked below the 9 EMA, and they're both trajectorying upward. I want to see the 9 EMA pull further up and break through this resistance area at around 242. That would be a very positive sign. RSI is drifting upward towards overbought. There's still plenty of room for it to keep moving. So there's a lot of indicators that it's still moving in a bullish pattern, even though we are in a slow period of the day. So hopefully that will be continuing to trend. Hope that's helpful, my friend. Hope that's helpful. Let's go ahead and share it up, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost at 1,000 people watching. Let's get it up to 2,000. Let's share it up. And I'm going to go back into the game because I'm going to what is it called? De-stress? De-channel? I don't get stressed, bro. Stocks don't stress me. I love stocks. They don't. It's just, I got like this attention thing. I gotta like
Get distracted.
I get distracted, I gotta, it's like if there's not a lot moving, you know what I mean? There's not a lot moving, you know what I mean? So gotta keep doing something. I always gotta keep doing something. CCCF says, no, I meant like on the left of the screen, it has all the tickers with the float, volume, price, etc. Are you talking about the scanner? You're talking about the scanner on the left-hand side. Yeah, the scanner has has hyperlinks above it for the particular ticker. So you could click into the hyperlinks above, and it will give you the chart. It'll give you recent filings. It'll give you recent press releases and all that. But I'm not clicking it because it's going to throw off my screen right now. That's why I don't click into those hyperlinks, because I don't want to throw the screen off, because the screen is all set up a certain way by doubles, and if I accidentally mess it up, it's going to take too long to put it back together. So that's the reason why I don't click into the hyperlinks. But we have another screen off camera that I'm looking at, for where I look at my scanners and I can see all of that jazz, the news, the chart, etc., 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 press releases, filings, you know, and also the average volume over a period of time, the 52 daily low, 52 week daily high, all that stuff. It's all in that hyperlink just above the scanner. Hope that's helpful. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I gotta tell you, I'm not landing over there again. I'm just not doing it, doubles. I'm not. No, you know what I'm gonna do? Tell you where I'm gonna land. No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna surprise you, bro. I'm gonna surprise everybody. I tell you. Let's thank the bus driver. Let's go. Thank the bus driver. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Boom, chakalaka. You never see me go this way. You never see me do this, doubles. You don't, bro. You don't. But look at what I'm doing. Look at here. Look at here, fella. Ooh. What happened to all the cinnamon, bro? It's gone. No, the cinnamon's gone. Is it gone? It is gone, bro. Look. Are the cinnamon cubes there? I don't think so, bro. They are. Look at that. Hello. There's a lot of loot here, bro. I better get some decent weapons. All right. An AR don't hurt. That don't hurt nobody. I mean, it hurts the enemy. Enemy. Ooh, a sniper. A sniper. Shotgun. Come on. All right. Shotgun. Let's go, baby. Why not? A little bit of the candy canes over here. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Come on. Yeah. Candy. Give it to me, baby. Let's go. Okay, bro. All right. Now, what are we going to do? I'm telling you what we're going to do. Ready? We're going to go over here. Fella. Somebody's shooting up here, bro. Here I am going to take a low ground, high ground type of fight, right? Not paying attention to what you told me. But let me see, bro. Let me see if I can get height on this fella. Yeah, I know, but you know, sometimes I don't pay attention to my own advice, you know? What happened?
Doubles, coach me. Okay.
Be quiet, doubles. There's nobody here, bro. Where did the enemy go, bro? What happened? There's nobody here, bro. Bruh. Yeah, look. Right over here. See, this is what I saw right here, but I don't know where they went, bro. Oh, right there in the house, bro.
Up top.
I know. I'm going, bro. They're right here, bro. Oh, wait! Give me that! Give me it! I told you, don't mess with the coach. Don't do it. DBL moms, that was for you, my mamita. My little mamita. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go, doubles. Let's go, baby. Ooh, a Pumpasaurus. A Pumpasaurus Rex doubles. Come on now.
See what happened to you, doubles.
I didn't listen to you. Did I?
Yeah.
What did you tell me, bro?
Get on the house.
What did you say?
Get on top of the house a few times.
Get on top of the house? Okay, all right. You did say that. You did, you little critter, you. You little critter. Ooh, wee. I got myself behind.
Remember to scan the room before you go in.
No traps, I tell you. No traps. No.
Door frame, make sure
Yeah, make sure. Man, he's pushy, ain't he? I love my little doubles. I love doubles. Ooh, look at here. Man, I got a nice loadout, dude. I don't know, but I sometimes perform better when I don't have a great loadout, you know? Sometimes things are just better when I don't have a good loadout, you know what I'm saying? I know, I saw it. I'm getting all the ammo. That's another problem I had. I never used to get the ammo, but now I get the ammo all the time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. It's all for... Dude, I had my emotions here. For a second, that was purple, but it's just garbage. Never mind. I don't want that going. That was purple garbage. I thought it was going to be something good. Oh, look, man. What happened to the house? What happened? What happened over here? Oh, my goodness. Oh. Look. No, nothing. Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. DBL Moms. That was for you, mama. Mamacita. I'll keep the minis. I got so many of them, bro. Uh-oh. Somebody's here. Somebody here, bro. Somebody's here, bro. Somebody's here, bro. Somebody's here, bro.
You have any traps on you?
Do I? I don't think so. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. But I think this guy's right here, and I'm gonna fight him. Ooh! Ooh! Where you at, fella?
Right there.
I see him. Ooh! 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 I know. I see it. 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 Yeah. Let's go, baby. Where you at, fella? Where you at, fella? Yeah, he's up top. I know. That's wrong. Right, he was up top. I saw a putty cat. I thought I saw a putty cat. I did see a putty cat. I don't know. I'm checking, bro. I'm scanning, bro. I'm scanning. I'm scanning, bro. I'm scanning the territory.
Use the sniper.
The sniper? The sniper? No, I don't want to use the sniper. I don't want to. I don't want to.
Why?
I don't know. All right, I'll use the sniper.
The sniper to scan around.
All right, I'm using the sniper. I'm using the sniper. Calm down, will you? Don't get your shorts into... Man, I ask you to coach and you're like a tyrant.
Yes.
What the heck, bro? What the heck? What the heck? I'm going to launch somewhere, bro. Bruh. I'm launching somewhere. I'm launching somewhere, fella. What is that? Is that a launch pad? No. Yeah, it's a launch pad, bruh. Wow. I like that. I like the launch pad, bruh. Somebody was here. Somebody was there. You see him? You see they had that little doohickey over there? The fence was open. I know. I'm going to the rift, bro. There's somebody over here. You heard it. You heard somebody over here. There's some fighting going on, Doubles. You hear it. I'm gonna launch and land on somebody. Oh no! I'm not gonna land. Yeah, where's the enemy, bro? Is that the enemy right there? Is that an enemy right there, bro? It is. I tell you, it's an enemy right there. No, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, somebody just got smoked over there. Right there, look, bro. See, right there. See? I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna shoot at him. I tell ya. Alright, that didn't work very well. Alright. Never mind. I didn't do terribly well with that, you know? I didn't do terribly well. Look at him. I know. Ooh! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Right up top.
I see him. Yes, sir. Ooh, leave me alone! Leave me alone! I don't want to talk to you! Not now! I'm in Fortnite! RYOJ, 76%! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Where did this clown go, bro? Where'd he go?
He went into the town. Chase after him.
Yeah, I guess not. I might as well go to zone, right?
Go to zone.
I'm gonna rift, bro. I'm gonna rift. I feel like rifting, bro. I don't feel like running. I don't have my tennis shoes on. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Somebody just shot at me, bro. You know that, right? Somebody shot at me. I don't like it. I don't like when they shoot at me. What happened, fella? What happened, fella? I was like looking to play with you. I know, but I'm tempted, bro. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Bad coach, bad coach. How about if I go to grandma? I want to go to grandma's house. We go, grandma. DBL moms, I want to go to grandma's. Oh, you're shooting at me, you critter? What's wrong with you? Where is it coming from, fella? Woo! Let's go, baby. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go, bro. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. We got almost 1,200. Let's go for 1,300, I tell ya. Woo. Let's go, baby. Yo, if somebody's at grandma's, they're gonna have a problem with me, yo. Somebody was here, bro. Bruh. Somebody was here, bro. Bruh. Yes, sir. Ah! Bro, why do they camp, bro? What a camper, bro. Yo, dude. Do you kiss your mom with those lips? Come on now. Come on now. Come on.
Scared the hell out of
Now you know why I got low sense, bro. Right?
Why?
They can't, bro.
Yeah, then you gotta throw a nade in there.
Oh, I didn't have a nade. Darn it. Come on, man.
Best way to clear a room.
I need to calm myself down and have more caffeine. That's what I need. Uh-huh. All right. All right, all right. Let's take a look at BYN. BYN still struggling to get over 282. 282 is a resistance point, and it's towards the topper, the top of the channel. Ah. All right, let's take a look at RYOJ. That sucked, bro. Did you feel sad for me, DBL moms?
Yeah.
That was just not right. Yo, camping? Come on, fella.
Get the heck scared out of him.
I did, bro. That was like a jump scare, bro. All right. So check it out, bro. Bro, check it out. I said cup and handle.
Yeah.
There goes your breakout. So let's go ahead and use a little bit of a Fibonacci retracement to get some key levels of support and resistance. The price action is now clearly above the VWAP. Above the VWAP. Hey, we kind of talked about the cup and handle about, what, a half hour ago over here? Yeah, I don't want to say nothing, but yeah, I kind of mentioned it was kind of forming a bull pattern. Right now, the RSI is a little bit overbought, but there's still a little bit more room for this fella. Maybe. Let's go ahead and get the Fibonacci retracement up so we can take a look at some key levels of support and resistance. Let's get a share party going on, because now we're going to do the technical analysis portion of the show. I hope y'all enjoying the play portion, but now it's time for me to get the education portion out, right? Time to do some educational stuff and check out the Power Hour preparation, show you how we get ready for Power Hour. Okay, everybody gets ready differently, but this is how I do it. I hope y'all enjoying it. Okay, we could see that the price action has definitely gone above the VWAP, which is good. It has broken the resistance on the Fibonacci at 252. Next resistance area is going to be at $7.12. And if it breaks through that, the next resistance area is going to be kind of critical. It'll form a double top right at around $7.85. And that's going to be a significant resistance point, because you could see the price action had difficulty earlier in the day breaking through that area with this top tail. We don't like top tails. I like the bottom tails, yo. Bottom tail green, baby. So that's going to be a significant resistance area. And of course, we got resistance right over here, which should be pretty significant as well. This is where the actual full body candles actually had difficulty breaking through. So you got two significant resistance areas on RYOJ. RYOJ currently up 82%. It's a low floater. I like the fact that it's only a 2 million float stock, and now the volume's up to 17 million. So we're going to keep an eye on this fella. That's what we're going to do, doubles. RYOJ. This sucker ran parabolic earlier in the morning, right, DBL Loans? You did a video on it, didn't you?
RYOJ, yes, I did.
Was it a short or a video? Yo, listen, I got to tell you, not only is DBL Moms the best, but she's awesome because she gets up early in the morning to make sure that she's scanning the stonks for y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And also putting all that kind of hot information in the Discord. So go ahead and click the link in the description for a 4-day trial of the Discord and all the tools that it has. $9.99. Well worth the trial. Go check it out for yourself. You'll obviously have access to the market mover scanner that you're looking at right now with the float, with the volume, with the price, with the stock, with the time and the percentage change and the hyperlinks to give you further information, press releases, you name it, periodic averages, 52-week high, 52-week low, and filings as well, all on this scanner alone. And then there's the breakout scanner that gives you the momentum breakouts that are happening in real time. And then, of course, the early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every day, Monday through Friday. For the next day, there's almost always a bunch of parabolic runners on that watch list. Almost always. I'm just saying. And right now, we're looking at RYOJ as it continues to form its cup and handle bull pattern as it broke through VWAP and made Papa proud. Let's go, baby. RYOJ. RYOJ, baby. Up 76% at resistance $7.12. Let's go to nerve. Let's see if it broke out of that double top. It had a lot of nerve having a double top. What's wrong with you? It had a lot of nerve, yo. A lot of nerve. So it looks like it's continuing to downtrend. It needs to break this downtrend. RSI is showing that it is super duper oversold. I hope it's not done. I hope it recovers. But listen, it gave a lot. It gave 362%. But what have you done for me lately? I don't care, yo. I'm looking out for the indelibles, yo. I'm looking for my tribe. My tribe wants runners. We don't care about what you did in the past. We care about what you're going to do in the future for us. We need to have some green ability, yo. Green ability. We need a neighborhood that's green and lush. And bullish, yo. It's got to have bulls all over the place. Bull, I tell you. I want some bull, yo. Bull. All right, RSEE. I don't know. I mean, it's still in a pennant formation. Still, you know, kind of, sort of. I don't know. Kind of, sort of in a bullish formation. RSEE. RSEA. No, is it R? It's VSEE. What do you want from me? I'm not having enough coffee. I don't have enough coffee. What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want? What are you looking for? VSEE Health shares are trading higher. The company recently announced a multi-year teleradiology contract. I have no idea what the hell that is. Expected to generate approximately $10 million in gross revenue over the next 2 years. But that's a projection. It's a sub-dollar stonk. RSI is neutral. Volume is down. It is in a pennant formation. 9 EMA still stacked above the VWAP. Price action is holding above the VWAP, which is around 80 cents. We need to see some curvature upward by the 9 EMA, but it's still in a pennant. And we're getting closer to power hour. 17 minutes for power hour. Hopefully VSEE will get some volume love. I want some volume love for all these tickers. We're at 1,400 followers. Let's go to 1,500 viewers right now. Let's go. BOF. Let's go check out BOF. This was a bullish stonk early in the morning. I traded it, doubles. I traded it. I made loot with it. I made some loot with it. Right now, it's in a bull pennant. This one also, similar situation, just above the VWAP. The 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP. This one looks a little bit healthier at the moment compared to VSEE. VSEE was an 8 million stock, though, with 244 million volume, whereas BOF is a heavier floated stock at 10 million volume, float, 65 million volume. So even though the pennant looks a little bit healthier on this one, I like the layout on the other one a little bit better as far as the numbers are concerned. I just wish that the 9 EMA was pointing upward with the VSEE. Right now, the RSI is neutral. Volume is low, but it is in a pennant formation. 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP. We want to see this 9 EMA curl and break out of this resistance pattern right here of the upper portion of the bull pennant. So that's what we got. That's what we got with BOF. BOF, ATMV, ATMV. Let's check it out. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to 1500. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Sub VWAP curling upward. RSI showing some activity, bullish activity as it moves up towards the overbought area, but there's still a lot of real estate for it to go. So hopefully, it'll just keep on going up and we'll see a 9 EMA curl and cross over the VWAP. But it's going to need some volume love, and that undoubtedly will probably, well, not undoubtedly, but maybe we'll see some volume love as we get closer to power hour. Power hour. I want to go back to beyond the meat, bro. Beyond meat. Let's go. Beyond meat. Let's go. Let's go. Still channeling upward, doubles. Still channeling upward. Got that resistance at 283, 282, 277-ish. Volume is kind of low. The RSI is trying to push upward to make it more of a bullish type of pattern. I need to see the VWAP cross over the 235, 238 level to keep this VWAP close to the 9 EMA. I want to see some more volume, but generally trending upward. Still looking schmexy. Still looking schmexy, but not really moving too much, doubles. Not moving too much right now. Yeah, but it's in that channel. It's in that channel, so we'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. We're going to watch it. We're going to watch it, doubles. All right, we're almost at 1,500, folks. Let's go and get a share party going on. And now we're going to go and try to get a dub for the community, for the indelibles. Y'all are indelibles because I want y'all to leave your mark and make sure it's unerasable. That's why you're indelibles. I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, your dreams. I want you to be inspirational. You know you're the best. Be the best. Study. Get better. Learn what the 9 EMA is. Learn what the VWAP is. Learn all kinds of things. The more knowledge you got, the more power you got. You got questions? Put it in the chat. I'll try my best to help you out. Why not? Why not? It always feels better when you help somebody out. Why not? Why not? Why not? That's something else here. You know what? I'm gonna go to Pleasant. Gotta go back to Mikasa. Why not? Let's share it up. We're almost at 1,600. Let's go, baby. NERV double topped and was going downward, but now it seems to be moving upward ever so slightly. 168%. 4 million float. 158 million volume. NVDS is moving. NVDS moving on up 203%. On low volume, 150,000 volume. I don't know. That doesn't sound very interesting. I don't think so. All right, we're looking at BYND. We're looking at BYND. BYND breaking the 282 resistance area. Let's go, baby. Get some volume. RSI moving upward. Let's get some volume. Volume beyond the meat. Where's the beef? Where's the beef? There is no beef. It's beyond meat. Ha ha. Ha ha. The news out right now is that 2,000 Walmarts have increased their stock of Beyond the Meat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And there's a lot of chatter. You know what it had? It had very high short interest doubles. So it was like it was targeted for a short squeeze doubles. A squeezy. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, bruh. Ooh. 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 Let's go, baby. Ooh, somebody's here, doubles. Somebody's here. I don't like it. I don't like when somebody's here. I don't like it. Leave me alone. All right, we got almost 1,700. I'm going to have to rock this dude, bro. But I shouldn't push, right? I should, like, get my ammo, blah, blah, blah. Get all that good stuff. Ooh, look at that. I think I'm going to take that with me, bro. Bruh. Let's go, baby. I'm ready to fight, yo. Come on. Come on now, fella. I am, bro. Yeah, I am. I'm right here, bro. Bro. I'm up, bro. I'm up. I'm up, bro. I'm here. I'm here. Hello. Hello. Ooh, somebody's here, bro. Ooh, Pinande. Oh, fella. I know. He's gonna be dead. Mm-hmm. He's in the house. He's right here, bro. Aha! Thank you, coach. Thank you, coach. Oh my! Look at that! Look at here! Look. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I said I'm good. Holy moly, coach! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my goodness! Oh my gracious! Thank you very much. Thank you. Haha! Right, Doubles? What do you think?
Make sure to scan every single door frame.
Yes, sure. Doubles, yes, sure. How'd I do, Doubles? How'd I do? Were you happy with the way I performed? I listened to you, coach. I listened to you.
Turn around, you missed a trap.
No, that's not a trap. That's that bouncy bounce. I don't like it.
Ice thing?
Yeah, no, see, bouncy bounce.
You can use it to trap other people.
No, it's not a trap, bro. It's like ice thing. I don't like that thing.
Ice thing, yes.
I don't like it. I don't like using it, Doubles. Yeah, it'll be me slip sliding, Doubles. I don't know how to use that doggone thing. I'm a regular guy, Doubles. I'm a regular guy. Ooh, looky here, Doubles. Looky. Ooh, let's go, babe. Pleasant Park has been good to me, baby. Come on now. Aha! Pleasant Park. Let's share it up. We're almost at 2,000. Almost at 2,000, folks. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on. What's going on here? Come on, folks. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look, Doubles. I'm getting ammo. I need ammo. I need ammo. I need more and more ammo. See, I'm doing what you told me. Get the ammo. You know what I mean? All of that stuff, Doubles. I gotta tell you, Pleasant Park has been good to me today. What's up, bro? Ooh-wee. Somebody shooting at the coach. Look at all these P90s, bro. Get out of here, bro. I don't need no rocket launcher for that turkey. It's a turkey, I tell you. That guy was a turkey. Doubles, come on. Share it up. Let's go, baby. I will, I tell you. I will, I tell you. I will. Ooh. I think I should take that cap off a little bit. Why not? Yes, sir. I'm watching, Doubles. I'm watching. Ooh. Somebody's here, Doubles. Somebody's here. I am the top floor, bro. Bruh.
There he is. He's on the
Ha ha. I know. I don't know where they're at, bro. Yes, sir. Were they shooting from back there? I couldn't tell, Doubles. I couldn't tell, my fella. Ooh, somebody shooting.
Get to the tank.
Nah, I won't. I'm gonna go over here. How about over here, bro? Where is it? Where is this guy, bro? Where is he? Where is he?
He's very impatient. He's sending rockets all over the place.
Okay. Kind of bored, bro. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave, bro. I'm getting bored, bro. Look at this. Somebody went to 5 tree. Look at that. Yeah. Hell yeah. Ooh, look at that. Loot. There's loot over there, bro. Look at the loot, bro. There's loot over there. Let's share it up, folks. We're almost at 1900. Let's go, baby. Let's go to 1900. Share it up. Share party, baby. Woo-wee. Why not? I tell you, why not? Why not? I don't like this freaking thing, bro. I really don't. But whatever. I'll carry it.
It's got rockets on it.
Right there. There goes the turkey. There he goes. Right there, bro.
Patient as always.
Okay. Too far away, bro. Oh. But I got hype, fella. Oh. No, he's right here, bro. Somebody to the left, too. Oh, they're both here. Somebody's landing. I don't have a bounce pad, bro. I do? Woo-wee! I'm in trouble, bro.
Use that little teleportation.
I missed it, bro. No, I got it. He's up top. I don't know, bro. I got no match, bro. Woo! I gotta get out, bro. I know he is. I know he is, bro. I'm gonna go to Mikasa, bro. Mikasa is Mikasa, bro. This is my house, bro. Bandies. Minis. Why not? candies. Woo! Let's share it up, folks. 1900. Let's reload.
Somebody got one of those crates there, so that means that somebody's in the center of the market.
Okay. That's good to know. Doubles. We need 1900. We need 2000, folks. Let's go. Let's go. NERV dropped quite a bit. RYOJ down quite a bit. It was. I tell you, it was. I need heals, brother. I need heals, doubles. I need mats. I need heals. I need all kinds of things, doubles. But I went to my Mikasa, bro. Ooh. All right. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh. Me, oh my. Let's see if there's anything over here. Let's go in here. Oh my. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Like that. Oh my god, look at that fort, bro. I will. No, they're not. I don't know where they're at, bro. I got zone over here, bro. I gotta move. Brother. I'm gonna go this way. Oh man, there's mats right there. Oh, all right. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you, brother. Yeah, the rift is right there, brother. The Riftosaurus Rex is right over there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah, we need some of that. I tell you. Oof. Hold on, brother. Yep, I'm out of here. No mouse trap over here, right? Trap? No trap? No trap. No. I should get that right. I don't like that. I don't like that stinking rocket launcher. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. We're in better shape now, doubles. We're in better shape. Is there somebody up here? Yeah, there's somebody right there. Yeah, right there. See him? Right there. Right over there. Look, they're fighting each other. Okay. Let them fight, I guess, right? I'm gonna, oh, I can't. Somebody's landing on me, doubles. Oh no, dude, I'm out of mats already. Oh no, that's not good. That is not good! got plenty, bro. Oh, look at my health, bro. Holy moly! Do I got a... I don't... Oh, man, I got no mobility, bro. I don't have a trap, bro. I have only the ice things. Yeah, that's not a trap, though. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know! Doubles, we got over 2,000 folks here, Doubles. Over 2,000.
Reload all your guns. Make sure.
Woo-hoo!
Now look down and see if there's any targets. Rocket launcher, bing, bing, bing. They're done.
Right there, bro. All right, Doubles. You're a pushy fella, Doubles, but you're right. When you're right, you're right.
Slow it down. There's 2 enemies left.
All right, Coach.
Let them take each other out. You want to let them kill each other off, and then you take out the victim.
Yes, sir.
Make sure that they reload. Reload the weapon.
I'm reloaded, bro. Come on, bro. He hit me with his RPG. Oh, man. Oh, look at that, bro. Whoa, come on. I got to root against this guy. I have to. Oh, come on. He's going to win, bro. He's got height. He's got height on that fella, bro. Oh, man. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Bro. That was terrible, bro. A rift? Oh, come on, bro. Oh, my God. This guy got lucky. But this... you know, this is the clown that gave me agita. All right. Let's take a look at the stocks. Uh-oh! Beyond the Beef is moving. Beyond Meat. 122% hitting resistance at 334. And it broke the resistance channel. And it's moving up. RSI is getting hot and heavy. And it's 10 minutes into power hour. Let's go, BYND. Let's share it up. Share it up. Let's check out NERV real quick, see what it's doing. NERV still going downtown after a double top. No bueno. MCTA. Come on now. MCTA breaking out of that downtrend. Choppy. I don't know. RYOJ. All right, it broke through resistance and then failed and flushed back down. So RSI is dipping downward and needs some volume love. VSEE. Did it break the panic? Not yet. It didn't break the panic. It did not, but it is still above VWAP. It needs volume love as well. RSI is not showing any volume love as of yet. MSN. Let's check out MSN. Oh, it's forming a bit of a cup and handle bull pattern right over here. Cup and handle. RSI is moving up. MSN 6 million volume float. 16 million volume. 70-cent stock. 70-cent stock needs some volume love to continue to just break out of a cup and handle bull pattern. Let's go back to the videotape for Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat breaks resistance now, $3.46, 151%. Let's go, baby. I'm going to be checking this out. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the show. It's Coach Nick Money in the house with DBL Nicks and the Serengeti Specialist. Folks, follow us on YouTube at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, and on X.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, a.k.a. Twitter. And, of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also live streaming on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we're on TikTok, a.k.a. the Tac Tac. At DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And, of course, the 4-day trial that gives you all the scanners, all the news, all the community, all the knowledge, all the education. 4 days, $9.99. The link is in the description. Say hello when you come in and let me know that you were watching the show. Come on now. And then tomorrow morning and every morning, 8:30 in the morning, Monday through Friday, don't forget to watch the star of the show, DBL Nicks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, and the Serengeti Specialist as they go on the prowl at 8:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, right into the open to get more and more Parabolics for the indelible pride. That is you, my folks. We love you. You're the best. You are awesome. You are winners. Winners. Winners win, and winners hang out with winner prides, and that's why y'all here. I call you indelibles because I want you to leave your mark. Make sure it's unerasable. It is indelible because you are indelibles, baby. Be motivating, inspirational, succeed, achieve all your goals and aspirations. Be a good person. I know you are. I know you got it, baby. Let's go. Cindy, in the morning, it's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the time of the show. It's called Microcap Mornings. Microcap Mornings, you can watch it on YouTube, you could watch it on X, or you could watch it on Twitch. And it's all at Coach Nick Money on all three of those, at Coach Nick Money. Yep. Cindy, I've seen that name. I've seen Cindy in the stream all the time. She's in your stream all the time.
If she's referring to what time do we start in the morning in terms of like on our private Discord?
Oh, in the private Discord? If you're talking about the private Discord, we start at the open, right at the open. 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We run all day long. Pre-market, regular hours, after hours, non-stop. Non-stop coverage. The scanners work non-stop. We work non-stop. We have coverage straight through. We have an entire team. So if that's what you're talking about, it's basically 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there's other content all the time after that as well. Yeah. Right? All of that. Yep, absolutely. All right. Much love. It's Coach Nick Money.
In the house.
In the house with DBL Nicks. In the house. And the Serengeti Specialist herself, DBL Moms.
In the house.
We love you. Make a lot of money. Be greenable. And we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao. Bye-bye.